Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn. So, yes, another new topic, right? So, before starting the topic, this is my schedule, everyone. ये मेरा शेड्यूल है राइट आप प्लीज़ इसे देख सकते हैं मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे मैं अपलोड करती हूँ टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड टू मैनेजमेंट थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे मैं टॉपिक्स अपलोड करती हूँ रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑन मंडे टू सैटरडे I upload various topics of paper 1 NTA UGC net examinations right so I hope you like the video and if मेरे वीडियो से अगर आपको बेनिफिट मिलता है you can share my videos you can subscribe to my channel and one more important thing Unacademy इफ़ यू हैवन ज्वाइन अनअकैडमी एक बार प्लीज़ अपने ऐप स्टोर पे जाइए और अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए वहाँ पर मैं खुद पढ़ाती हूँ राइट मैं वहाँ पर पिछले 2 साल से पढ़ा रही हूँ और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने एनटीए यूजीसी नेट एग्ज़ाम क्रैक किया है इंक्लूडिंग जेआरएफ भी किया है राइट तो अगर आपको एनटीए यूजीसी नेट क्रैक करना है या अदर एग्जामिनेशंस जैसे यूपीएससी बैंक एग्जामिनेशंस सीएसआईआर यूजीसी नेट एक्सेट्रा तो आप अनअकैडमी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होती हैं यहाँ पर राइट लाइव क्लासेस देख सकते हो कमेंट कर सकते हो चैट कर सकते हो एडुकेटर के साथ एडुकेटर से क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो मॉक टेस्ट होता है डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन होता है आपको एक वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा मतलब अनअकैडमी पे आने के बाद आपको किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म में नोट्स मटेरियल क्वेश्चंस ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी राइट सो मेक श्योर यू कीप ऑन योर प्रिपरेशंस विद अनअकैडमी सो यस लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो Hey, hello everyone. So yes, today we are going to start with teaching aptitude. So this series would be completely in English, right? And I have explained the same in Hindi, right? If you guys are more comfortable in Hindi, you can check out in my channel that the same has been uploaded in Hindi as well, right? So for the people who are more comfortable in English, this will be totally like 100% in English, right? So let's start with teaching aptitude. Teaching aptitude would be your first topic in the syllabus of paper 1. If you haven't downloaded the syllabus, please download it. It's really important to understand the contents of the syllabus so that you can actually start preparing, right? So please don't ignore the syllabus. Please go and download the syllabus, right? Now after that we have you can say various topics on your syllabus that can be teaching aptitude, this is the first unit. Then we also have research, communication, reading comprehension, people and development, higher education, 10. We have totally 10 units and you have to do all the 10 units, right? So let's start with this first unit or you can say the first topic. Let's understand what is teaching. Teaching is a process in which the learner, teacher, and other variables are organized in a systematic way to attain some predetermined goal, right? So, this is the first definition or the first meaning. So, what exactly teaching aptitude is? Suppose, I'm just taking an example. I am making this video. You guys are watching this video. So, I am the teacher here. You are the students here and the platform through which I'm interacting with you, the YouTube, is the interacting variable. So exactly what we are doing here, the teacher is trying to teach something to the students and the student is trying to understand the same, and between the teacher and the student there is an interaction going on, the level of interaction, right? And why all these things are taking place, all these things are taking place to determine or you can say to attain a predetermined goal, that is teaching, right? So this is what teaching is. Fine. The next definition is teaching is designed and performed to produce change in the student's behavior. Yes, teaching should be done in such a manner so that the student who doesn't know gets to know, the student who's unknown gets the knowledge, the student's behavior should change, right? That should be the ultimate objective of any teacher, right? So this is what teaching is. You can get various books on teaching aptitude. According to me, the best books are KVS Madan, the latest edition, that is in the black color, 4th edition, as well as Harpreet Kaur. Both books are really good. If you want to learn from them, you can. Okay, so let's discuss certain features and characteristics. I have in total 18 characteristics, but in this particular video we are just going to understand few, and the remaining will understand in the next video. Okay, so the first characteristics, it is a system of action. Yes, it means it includes various action, and it does it in a systematic way. First, suppose if you have gone to your school or college, you will know what system works. There are n number of students in the class and a single teacher. A teacher tries to explain the topic to the students by the lecture method, or you can say by showing a video or picture, or explaining them in a simple manner, and then students tries to understand the same. So that is what, that is the system of action. That is how teaching takes place, right? The second, it is a professional activity. Why it is professional? Because only you can say the professional people, or the people who have actually understood what teaching is, they can only do that activity. Suppose a person who's uneducated will not be able to teach other, right? Because he himself doesn't know what is education, what are the topics, how to read, how to write. So it is a professional activity where only professionals get the chance to teach the other persons, right? Third, it is subject to analysis and assessment. Yes, it is subject to analysis and assessment. Why? Because we analyze and assess the students, right? We see that the students has understood or not, and by seeing this we'll be able to understand, is the teacher effective or not? Is the teacher is able to make students understand the topic in the simple manner? Is the student confused? Does this teacher need to change the methods? Does the teacher need to change you can say any techniques of teaching, so that the students can understand more, right? So it is actually, you can say, related to analysis and assessment, where teacher can be analyzed and assessed on the performance of the students, right? The next is specialized task. Yes, it is a specialized task, only because the people who have you can say specialization in this particular activity will able to do this. Other people will not be able to do this, right? The same thing we have understood just before in professional activity. Okay, the next is collection of various modes. Yes, teaching aptitude is collection of various modes. We have various, you can say, types of teaching. We have descriptive method, we have you can say lecture method, we have group discussions, we have audio video. It can take place in various modes, right? So this was just a brief introduction of teaching aptitude, and I would be uploading more and more topics every day from Monday to Saturday, and I hope you guys to see the same. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, so that I could get to know that you actually love my videos, right? As well as it will give me the motivation to make more and more videos in future. The second thing, subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest updates. And these are the two of my channels you can see in the circle, right? The first is Boss Lady, and the second is Study Vlog. I have awesome content on that, on various topics, like how to look presentable in the office, right? And how to start a YouTube channel, everything. So just go and check out these two channels, so that you can actually get a lot of knowledge on various topics rather than studies, right? So make sure you take good care of yourself, study hard, and if there is any doubt, please do let me know.